Understanding bronze green, a colorful English phrase. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, bronze green. This phrase might sound simple, but it's a great example of how English combines words to create new meanings. Let's dive in and understand all about bronze green. Bronze green is a compound adjective made up of two words, bronze and green. Typically, it describes a color that is a mix of green and brown, resembling the patina that forms on bronze metal over time. This phrase is often used in contexts related to art, design, and fashion. To understand how bronze green is used, let's look at some examples. The artist chose a bronze green shade for the landscape painting. The new line of clothing features a bronze green color that's perfect for autumn. In these sentences, bronze green is used as an adjective to describe a specific color of objects. Compound adjectives like bronze green are common in English. They combine two or more words to express a unique idea. Understanding these can greatly enhance your English vocabulary and comprehension. Other examples include phrases like ice cold, snow white, and heartwarming. And that's a wrap on bronze green. We hope this video has helped clarify this colorful English phrase. Remember, English is full of such interesting compound adjectives. Stay curious, keep learning, and see you in our next video.